Hi, my name's Jeremy Manley, chef up here at Jeremy's on the Hill in Julian, California. We're about 60 miles east of San Diego. What people don't realize about Julian is that we're surrounded by local farms, agriculture, and wine country. My food philosophy is farm to table. I support local agriculture, and I provide healthy cuisine with farm-fresh ingredients. I have a rotating menu that changes seasonally, if not monthly. We do have our solid staple items, however, we do feature new ingredients and new menu items depending on what the season brings. As a chef, I love to serve fresh, local, organic ingredients that are grown within our region. We're open 7 days a week. We start serving lunch at 11 a.m. and go till 4 p.m. Dinner starts at 4 p.m. and we close between 8:30 and 9 o'clock. Sundays we have a champagne brunch. We feature cream cheese stuffed French toast, eggs Benedict on ciabatta bread made fresh from the local baker, various omelets as well as scrambles. We have live music Mondays with acoustic guitar, on Saturdays live piano music, and then on Sunday afternoons and into the evenings we have a 6-string guitar. We have a wide variety of culinary events including winemakers dinners, beer makers dinners, wine and cigar pairings, as well as chocolate pairings. To get more information on our live music, seasonal events, winemaking dinners, and other various things going on here, visit us at jeremysonthehill.com. Sign up for our newsletter, cooking tips, and other various specials and promotions at our website. And follow us on Facebook for great specials and see what's being served for the day.